How to protect your forms and quizzes with passcode using SurveyHeart. As a form or quiz creator, open the SurveyHeart app. Tap the form or quiz you want to protect. Tap on Edit Form or Edit Quiz from the menu list. Now tap on Settings from the bottom bar. And then check the Passcode Protection checkbox. You can copy the generated code using the Copy button in the box. Also, if you don't like the code displayed, you can tap on the Regenerate Code button to get a different passcode. Submit the form to save your changes. Tap the Share Link with Passcode button to share the form link, including the passcode, with the form filler. Once you share it as a message, the form filler will receive the link to the form along with the passcode. As a form filler, open the received message and tap on the link to open the form. Now enter the passcode sent along with the form, and tap Enter to open the form. And there you have it. Protecting your forms and quizzes with a passcode is as easy as that. Thank you.